And do you feel a little confused as to which type of microphone is the best one for you to choose? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 3 types of microphones that you might want to choose from and the scenarios in which you might want to use them so you can choose the best fit for you. Okay, so first of all, what are the 3 types of microphones? Well, there's the studio microphone, there is the lavalier microphone, and the lapel microphone. So we're going to look at each of those individually and when you might want to use them. So the first microphone we're going to look at is the studio microphone, and I have one here which is called the Blue Yeti, which is a very popular studio microphone. It is a USB mic, and I would encourage you to get a USB mic because that makes it much simpler to just plug directly into the computer. So a studio microphone is great for things where you're basically doing computer-based recordings. So that would be things like any videos that you're going to be producing, which is going to be computer-based. So anything screen recording, it could be voiceovers, it could be podcasts, Facebook Lives, video conferencing, coaching calls, webinars, all of those kind of things fall into the category of computer-based work and would benefit from a studio microphone. Now the second microphone I want to share with you is the lapel mic, or what's sometimes called the lavalier mic, which basically looks like this. And it basically clips to your shirt and is always in close proximity to your mouth, so it doesn't matter if you're looking at the camera or not, which is great if you're doing demonstration videos. So if you're going to be demonstrating something in front of you right here and the camera is behind you looking over your shoulder, for example, then it's still going to be picking up great audio. It's also great if you're not going to be very close to the camera, so if you're going to be at a further distance, or for example, maybe more of your body is going to be seen in the shot, then you might want to use a wireless version of this so that you can be further away, especially if you're going to be doing anything which is outside or which is going to require a lot more space, for example. But this can be really good basically to pick up good audio regardless of whether you're looking at the camera or whether you are close to the camera. And the third and last type of microphone I'm going to share with you is the shotgun microphone, which looks like this. And this is what I'm actually using for my videos most of the time. So I actually have a different shotgun microphone on top of my camera here. It's the Rode Mic Pro Plus, and that is what is picking up my audio right now. And it's great because I don't have any cables to worry about. I don't have to worry about anything on me specifically like I do with the lapel mic. So as long as I'm talking directly to the camera like this, a talking head video basically, then I don't have to worry about it and I know I'm getting good sound. If I'm going to be further away from the camera, then I would probably still want to use the lapel mic, probably a wireless version, so that I'm getting good quality sound, that it's still picking up good, in close proximity. But if I'm going to be sitting close to the camera as I am now, just across the table basically, then the shotgun microphone is great for that. Now, as far as which specific model to get, obviously things are changing all the time with new products coming out and things being upgraded and all that kind of thing. So what I would recommend doing is to check out the link in the description below, which will take you to my kit, and that will give you the latest recommendations of which kind of microphone you might want to choose. But also, before you head on over there, I also would love to know what type of microphone you think is going to work best for your project. So let me know below whether you think you will use a studio mic, a lapel mic, or a shotgun mic, or maybe a combination. And also, if you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications for more videos related to creating online courses using video. Stay creative, and we will talk soon.